Welcome back to Daily Forex Investing News, where we bring you the latest updates on the financial markets. Today, we'll be discussing the recent retail trade survey for the March 2023 quarter in New Zealand. This survey measures the sales and stock of businesses in various sectors such as car yards, petrol stations, supermarkets, cafes and restaurants, and hotels. According to the data released by Stats NZ, the total volume of seasonally adjusted retail sales for the March 2023 quarter was $26 billion, which reflects a 1.4% decrease compared to the previous quarter. The total value of seasonally adjusted retail sales was $30 billion, down 0.3%, $77 million. It's important to note that these values are not adjusted for inflation or price effects. Digging deeper into the regional sales values, it was found that 9 out of the 16 regions experienced lower seasonally adjusted sales values during the March 2023 quarter compared to the December 2022 quarter. The largest movements were observed in Auckland, with a 0.4% increase, $51 million, and Waikato, with a 1.5% decrease, $42 million. Analyzing the industry-specific data, several sectors witnessed significant changes in sales volumes. The hardware, building, and garden supplies industry experienced a 6.3% decrease, while motor vehicle and parts retailing saw a 2.8% decline. Liquor retailing took a hit with a 13% decrease, and pharmaceutical and other store-based retailing also experienced a 3.1% drop. On the positive side, clothing, footwear, and personal accessories saw a 3.8% increase in sales volumes. When it comes to sales values, 7 out of the 15 industries had lower seasonally adjusted values in the March 2023 quarter compared to the previous quarter. Fuel retailing was hit the hardest with a 5.6% decrease, $156 million. Followed by hardware, building, and garden supplies with a 5.2% decline, $154 million. Supermarket and grocery stores, on the other hand, saw a 2.2% increase, $139 million, in sales values. Moving on to the stock values. The total value of stock held as of March 31, 2023, was $9.8 billion, representing a 5.2% increase, $486 million, compared to the same period in 2022. The department stores industry witnessed the largest growth in stock values, rising by 14%, $165 million. However, the electrical and electronic goods industry experienced a significant decrease of 27%, $149 million, while motor vehicle and parts retailing saw a 7.0% increase, $143 million. It's worth mentioning that these figures are subject to revision, and the estimation of seasonally adjusted series has been challenging in recent years. Factors like COVID-19 lockdowns and restrictions have influenced the retail trade statistics, making it harder to accurately estimate trend levels and apply seasonal adjustments. The adverse weather events, including tropical cyclones Hale and Gabrielle, also impacted the retail trade during the March 2023 quarter. While data collection was not significantly affected, some businesses in affected regions experienced disruptions. Nevertheless, Stats NZ assures us that the statistics are fit for purpose, although it's challenging to isolate the specific impact of the cyclones from other factors such as inflation or COVID-19 related influences. Looking ahead, it's essential to keep an eye on the retail sector as it provides valuable insights into the overall economic activity and consumer behavior. As always, we'll continue to monitor the latest developments and bring you the most up-to-date news on the financial markets. Stay tuned for more updates on daily Forex investing news. That's it for today's episode.